What up, everybody? Good morning. We're watching Bofa today. Watching Bofa. Come on, Twitter. Why ain't you loading, dude? Is Twitter down? There we go. Live day trading. Let's... Boom. All right. Let's hope we can catch a nice little trade today, eh? Caught two trades yesterday. The first one was decent. If you guys weren't here, the second one was beautiful. All right, we got that all set up. Boom. All right, so what I am watching today. Go to yes. We have a new 30-minute supply zone. Actually, we have one here as well. Let's see. Whoops. See what happens here. But ideally, this 59.18 is what I would like to see for my reject. But we are trading in that this 30-minute supply right here. I guess we'll see what happens. But watch that. As far as the reject, both of these zones. And then we ended up bouncing out of that demand zone from yesterday that we talked about. We had a huge one over here, 4 hour, 2 hour, 1 hour, all that good stuff. It's a very big demand zone, bouncing in the overnight session, unfortunately. So if we get back down there, I will be looking for longs. Head on over to NQ. Same thing, new 30-minute supply zone. We're actually about to break this one, so that's about to not be valid, so we won't even mark it. But ideally, 20558.75. And then if we dig above there, then we could get deeper into this zone over here. And again, this was the supply zone that we were watching yesterday on NQ from yesterday's watch list. So smacked it in the, I think right before market open, we smacked it. Because I was looking at a potential short. I just didn't end up taking it. But yeah, that was the high yesterday, formed a new 30-minute supply. We'll see what happens there. As far as the bounce, nothing until we get down here. So that is the game plan for today. Again, we hit it in the overnight session. So if we can hit it today during market hours, I will be very happy soul. We can look for longs. But that is my game plan today. Say what's up to Team Bull. Good morning, everybody. How we doing? What up, what up? What's up, JJ, Geo, Q, C Price, everybody. So, I'm good. Tell you what, you come to Denver next Friday before I leave. I'll buy you some sushi. He ignored me. Take somebody else's sushi then. Take GD. I'm taking it. Yeah, that's what I thought. GD, you on here? Guess not. All right, we're rejecting the very beginning of that supply zone, the body. Let's see. I mean, we did get a pretty good elevation of volume there too. I'm not going to short it though. We're too close to open, but could reject that 30-minute supply zone. We'll see. Thank you for the subscribe. If you guys could, real quick, take 2 seconds, hit that like button. There's 110 of you already in here and only 20 likes. So if you guys like live day trading and you want more of it, all you gotta do is take 2 seconds, hit that like button. We got 9 minutes. What you guys watching today? Everybody in the YouTube chat. What y'all got? The book is gold. Thank you. I appreciate that. Yes, the recording will be uploaded tonight. I actually left as soon as we were done yesterday. That's why I didn't upload it, but it will be uploaded today. Spy reject at 8.5. Okay, okay. Sorry, I'm all stuffy. QQQ. Yeah, I mean, it is a larger zone. You could watch it. We smacked it. I just prefer it a little higher. But yeah, I did see it when I was going through and doing my analysis this morning, but we already tested it. That's why it wasn't like my favorite. Oh, they're funny. Yeah, you gotta have actual bookmap. They haven't offered ES for free in a really long time. But hey, guess what? If you do want to get bookmap, your boy does work with them. In case you guys did not know that. I get to test out all the tools before bookmap even releases them. And I do content for them and all that other stuff. Get to hop in meetings with bookmap. Super dope company. But if you want to use bookmap, do have an affiliate link right here. You can use it. rejecting that supply again. Isn't it crazy how supply and demand works? It's almost like it's one of the most accurate ways to find levels in the market. Get the SIBO data and then bookmap data. And then you're good to go. All right, we got 4 minutes. For 3 minutes. Oh yeah, today's Opex. So today is absolutely risk off for me. Risk off day for me for Opex because I absolutely hate Opex. But we'll still see if we can find something. Damn, look at that. We got 175 of you up in here. So if you guys haven't already, take 2 seconds, hit that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. Hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed. Super close to 93K. We should hit it today. Make sure you guys got bell notifications on as well, so you get notified every single time I go live, every single time I upload a brand new video, and I will be uploading my class from yesterday. So, let's get it. 2 minutes. Speaking of that GD guy, I get to see him next week. He'll be in Denver. What the hell? Did you see that spy candle? That was weird. They should make spy and QQQ options a 24/7 thing. That would be dope. Make sure to have a phone call with the market makers later and pitch that idea. But yeah, literally, that supply zone. Smack the very beginning of it. Rejected here. Remember, this was the candle that I said validated the setup. Same thing we talked about in the live stream yesterday. Who can tell me why was this a short candle? Why did this validate a short? If you can tell me, you get a cookie. Why did that green candle validate a short? You just bought the book, TJ? Let's go. No, I personally did not take it because we were too close to market open. I'm just saying in general, why did this candle confirm a short? Yeah, it's a green candle, but where are we trading? If this happened over here, I wouldn't care about it. But because it happened right at the beginning of this supply zone on the 30-minute that we just drew in the live stream, right? Small green candle, large flush down, right? We go right into the level. Nice elevation, or not elevation. Nice long upper wick. Rejected right off the beginning of the level. Elevation and volume. Right? Had we not been so close to market open, yes, I would have took that 100%. But this confirmed your entry. Stop loss right above this high. If we show strength above it, obviously you can see we popped up, sold right back off, and then boom. Now we're down 14 points. That was a little sus to join up in here and say. Hey. Don't make me come upstairs, dude. Let's see where we're going. I mean, 5880 is actually no. I'd prefer us closer to here. All right, so ES. We're also going to see if we can find like big buyers on Bookmap. So ES, we're approaching NQ. We got a long while to go. So Mainly ES. We can look for a fib. Pivot high, pivot low if we start to bounce. Then look for puts. Same thing with QQQ. See if we get this bounce and reject. Was watching that 59.05 on ES for a reject, but it hit it in the pre-market. So if this is the bottom right here and we bounce up, I'll look for puts. What are you watching? Patience. $583.50 to $583.77 is what I'm watching for putas. And again, it is risk off for me today. NQ is trading at the 50% retracement right here. I'd prefer SPY at the 50%. QQQ could reject and take SPY lower, but yeah, if I'm looking for a higher probability trade, it's if SPY gets up to the 50 or 61.8. On SPY a little more for me. Yeah, NQ's smacking that 50 so far. A little bit higher for me. All right, QQQ's pushing and Q's right at that 618. Again, I prefer the SPY a little higher. QQQ zones are not valid, and we are right at that 50% retracement right now. Let's see. See if we reject. Right here is where I watch it. Still watching. I'm gonna try it. Very light size. Stop right above these highs. That might be a quick stop out. We'll see. Might be a very quick stop out. Let me see how this 2-minute candle closes. See if we fall back down below the level. Forget about this 5900. I'll get out. Again, today's risk off day. It's Opex. Lose 583.5. Have to lose SPY VWAP. Damn, it's hard to stick to your plan when everybody's going long. Gotta lose this VWAP. Come on. Lose it. There we go. There we go. Take it first trim. First trim. First trim. There we go. That's how we... I can't cuss. I can't say it. That's how we do it. That is how we do it. Another trim here. All right, stop loss break even. Stop loss break even. Take a quick little, what was that? Percentage wise. I can't do the percents. I think like 30-ish percent, 30, 35%. We are approaching that NQ VWAP, so be careful. Could bounce here. Let me get ready to stop out. It's getting close. Who can tell me why I took puts? Who can tell me? I want low day. Would love low day. I don't think it's going to give it to us. Again, stop loss is break even. Hard stop loss, break even. It got close. Very close to hitting that break even.
I literally got $1 off my stop. That is all winning trades this week, though. Every single trade I've called out, winning trade. Every trade I've taken, winning trade. Give me lower day. Give me lower day. Catching tops, catching bottoms. It's what we do. Oh, yeah, it is 10. I don't even know if we have 10 o'clock news, to be honest with you. Kind of looked like we did for a second. Let's see if we lose this trend line. We lose this trend line, we should get low day. Nah, I'm about to stop out. Yeah, I'm out. I'm outie. I will tell you what, though, I am starting to like this QQQ setup to the upside. But SPY's looking bearish still. We'll see. Let's see how we close this next candle on NQ. See if we get a pullback. Oh, never mind. I don't like QQQ. I thought it was the 5-minute that was having the setup that I was looking for. It's a 2-minute. Actually, I don't know. Potentially. We'll see. Mm, there we go. All right. What is that? 5 trades we've taken this week? I think 5. What are you talking about, Aaron? I took 1 trade today. I'm talking about me, not anybody else in their trades. I have one thing that I posted today in Team Bull. No, I never entered at the 50. There was no reason to enter at the 50. You can go back and listen too. I never said I entered at the 50. Nah, no name calling. Hey, no argument. Both of you say I love you to each other. All right. I love you guys too. All right. Let's see what we can find. Thank you for the donation. Let me look at game and WKSP. I've never been donated through euros before. Oh, geez, penny stock. I'm only looking at this for you. I hate penny stocks, but they just don't follow technicals. That's the issue. Hmm. I don't know, to be honest with you. I mean, you got really close to that weekly demand. I'd say if we did dip down there, you could watch it. But what do we got? We got earnings next month. You want to trend higher, got to break above here. Get a weekly candle close above that, you should be good. That's not valid. Yeah, I'd say watch that level. That's really all I have. So that's it for game WKSP. This actually looks a little better. Again, not my ideal setup. It's got a nice 4-hour squeeze structure. That looks good. I'd watch the 4-hour, to be honest with you, for that move up. No, go back and listen. I never stopped out. I said I was trying the puts and I would stop out above that 5,900 level. I said we might stop out. It might be a quick stop out, but I never said I stopped out. You guys gotta listen. There's no reason to stop out. We never closed above the level. This is where we entered. I said it might be a quick stop out, but never said I stopped out. Gotta go back and listen. All right. I do want to watch QQQ though on this pullback. Let's watch 494.4 to 494.3. That'll be my level. $494.3. Locked in watching this level. All right, let's see what happens right around here. Only thing I don't like is SPY still looks super weak. I'm gonna need a very clear bullish sign if I'm testing anything. But I feel like if it's gonna bounce, it's somewhere around here. Still waiting. All right. A little bit lower. Again, if I'm gonna take this, I need a very, very clear bullish sign that we are going to bounce. 15-minute, not the best. 5-minute, a little better. Yes, very weak. So, again, need a very clear bullish sign. I need a very clear bullish sign. So far, not getting that. Still not ideally what I would look for. It looks like they want to try to push it. Actually, depending on how this 5-minute candle closes, looks like it, but I'm not willing to put my money at risk. So I'm personally not going to take it. Given that 1, today is Opex, 2, ES is not following QQQ, and 3, the 15-minute does not look good at all. But the 5-minute looks like they want to push it. They did hold that VWAP, but again, this is not something that I am going to put my money into. I'm going to wait for a better setup. All right, we're just gonna chill. We'll talk. What y'all want to talk about? Y'all want some life advice? Y'all want to play chess? Y'all want to do TikTok dances? Your pick. Who is this, dude? Who? Bro. I swear I need to switch my phone number. Too many people be getting my number. Guardians, what's that? Is that hockey? Let's see. Is Robin Hood Legend out? If so, I'm gonna try that mofo out. Like I said, Spy is weak. Typically, Spy and QQQ should be following each other. Spy looks very weak. 15-minute on QQQ doesn't look good. So there's too much invalidation. There's more invalidation than there is validation. So that's not a setup that I'd be willing to put my money into. You dig? Also, it's Papa Carhorn's birthday today. Papa Carhorn's birthday today. Officially 2 months since I've been in Denver. And the best trading week I've had in a while. Today's a good day. The only fibs that I was watching was that reject that we took earlier. Is €5 really $6.50 USD? I guess so. I just work out, do my thing. I need to get back into jiu-jitsu. I haven't trained in 2 months. My shoulder was messed up, but it's actually feeling a lot better now. But gym, jiu-jitsu, do whatever else I feel like doing. Just vibe. Have been getting into wholesaling though, so I've been spending a lot of time studying that. So that might be my new thing. Yeah, I mean 495 is a pretty strong level. We see yeah, we also have like a big wall seller up here. There's a lot of reasons to move to Denver. And I'll tell you what, best decision I ever made. Options expiration. So the third Friday of every month is your options expiration. Do I still do swings? Yeah. Absolutely. Swing is my middle name. Nah, I love Denver. Get out of here. I'll fight you. I love it here. But yeah, probably give the market like 15 more minutes. More minutes. Maybe something pops up. Maybe it doesn't. We shall see. That's not typically the way that I swing. So, yeah, my opinion wouldn't be the best on that solar edge. Let's get it. Hop into the book. Yes, sir. If you guys don't have either of my books, both of them are available on Amazon. The New Age of Technical Analysis, which is 450 pages. The New Age of Day Trading, which is 320 pages. So 770 pages total. Tons of education. I'll tell you what, fraction of the cost of any course that you guys are going to buy. Yeah, I got out of Rio yesterday. I had to take that loss, unfortunately. That's the first losing swing, though, that I've had this entire year where I was actually full size. Every other swing that I took that was a loser, I was only half size or if that. And I mean, literally, you see it all in the admin swing trading floor. I specify what my my position is. So, yeah, and then all the ones where I was full size, bangers, 100%, 200%, 300% swings. So I'm okay giving a little bit of profits back from swing trading this year on Rio. It's still a good setup though. I'll watch it. Maybe we get a re-entry. I don't know yet. They want to try to push this second queue. Into earnings? No, I wouldn't even touch it until it's done earnings. All right, so something that I'm posting up on my Instagram. Best trading week I've had in a while, right? Very proud of myself this week. But I want you guys to also remember that I said last week. Whoops. Wait for Grizzly to stop talking. There we go. I want you guys to remember the last few weeks, right? I struggled these last few weeks. I was taking the same trades that I would take 100 times out of 100 times, right? But the market was not working in my favor, right? But that's why we have an edge and we only trade when that edge is present. Because even if we were gambling, right, just odds of probability, or Jesus, law of probabilities, we are going to be right at least 50% of the time if we just guessed. If we had an edge to the market, now we're talking maybe 75, 80%, or 70 to 80%. Let's just go with that. You stick with the same setups, you're going to stay profitable. There are going to be times where you have, what's the word I'm looking for? There's going to be times where you have like more losing trades in a row compared to other times. And you guys saw that with me over the last few weeks. I was taking, what does this dude want? Sup, fool? Yeah, we hitting some biceps, triceps. Do you got an issue with me, dude? go silent. Nah, dude, it was a beautiful week. All winning trades. I think it was. I'm done talking to you. What was I saying? You distracted me. But yeah, you're gonna have those times where you have more losing trades in a row, but as you continue to take those same setups over and over and over and over again, you're gonna be profitable. And yeah, that's just part of trading. You're gonna have those times where more losing trades, but it sucks in the short term. Over the long term, though, you're good. How's the radiation in Denver? I don't know. I still look the same. Hopefully that little rant helped you guys. Or hopefully it made sense. If it didn't make sense, I don't know. I think I messed up my live stream. Can somebody type something real quick? All right, there we go. Bet. Just make sure I didn't mess up my live stream. Trying to multitask at the same time, too. It's Papa Carhorn's birthday. They're still holding this QQQ VWAP with the squeeze. We can give it like 2 more 5-minute candles. Two more. Then I'm gonna call it. How'd you guys do today? Make money, lose money, take no trades. What y'all got? Hi. Google messed you up. Why so? From Nigeria. Let's go. Tapping in from Nigeria. I love it. Hey, even if you only made $35 today, that's $35 you didn't have. You can actually do a lot with 35. And if you consistently do 35. $75. Let's go. The way that I use Bookmap is, again, sorry, I'm trying to multitask. Wait, yes, 30 minutes. I'm trying to get a screenshot of that supply zone. Okay. The way that I use Bookmap is pretty much when we're trading to a key level. That's where it's going to be best utilized. So like if we trade down to a demand zone or up into a supply zone, whatever, I like to use Bookmap too. Why does it look like trash right now? Probably because of Opex. But you'll notice that we have large buyers or sellers, or if we just are dropping and then we start to notice that we have huge buyers, then obviously I'll take that into consideration, just like yesterday, how we literally caught the exact bottom yesterday simply just by using Bookmap. Let me find that screenshot real quick. So we took this trade yesterday simply because we had huge buyers down at 5885 to 58 or like 5886 to 5884, and there was no sellers above, right? So if we pull up ES yesterday and we go to when we were trading at 5885, it was this candle right here. We entered long literally at the very beginning of this candle at 1105. Not like as soon as it opened, but like during 1105 is when we got long, right? So you can see we traded right down into that zone, the same zone, huge buyers. That's the whole reason we went long, was simply because of that. We got a very nice move up. Max reward by the time we got out was about $70 per contract. We were risking 10 to 7R trade. So yeah, Bookmap, it's very helpful because you can visually see where the buyers and sellers in the market. But yeah, it's going to be your best friend when trading supply and demand or trading at key levels as well. But I'm going to call it a day here. I'm going to eat and go hit some biceps, triceps with that J-Dung guy that I don't like. Psych. But yeah, everybody have a blessed weekend. It was a beautiful week. Let's do it again next week. Peace, everybody.